We're going to start the demolition of the front staircase of my house today. We did a major remodel inside, but this front staircase is kind of steep for one thing, and it's not authentic to the architectural style of this 1900 Victorian. And here's the finished product. Waiting for the inspector this morning. I've got the footings dug for the concrete portion of the front staircase, and I've got rebar in there, so the inspector has to come take a look, make sure I've done that properly, and then tomorrow mid-morning we'll be pouring the first pour of concrete to get the footings in. So the way the architect drew it up is there's a huge footing in front right at the sidewalk, and then there's also this huge, well, good sized footing in back. This resultant box is going to get filled up with gravel. We'll compact that. Move it over now. Good. So we're wrapping up the forms for the concrete part of the staircase. You can see these are the stair treads, one step, two steps, and then a landing. This step and this step are actually 2 inches too low, because what I've done is on top of the stair treads we're adding this rubber molding which gives the stair tread a bull nose. So like a rounded nose. If you're familiar with stair construction, the bull nose sticks out a little bit. And so we bought this rubber molding. It's actually used for making concrete countertops. So I had to add another piece of 1x and a piece of plywood. And then this rubber mold sits on top of my form board perfectly like that. And so we'll pour the concrete, we'll strip the forms and clean it all up. And then there'll be a nice bullnose line all the way around this landing, on that stair tread and that stair tread, and then the last final concrete stair tread right here.
All right. No, I need to this one right here.
Okay, give me a minute, I'll help you out.
Yeah, take this one.
It's coming along, starting to frame up the wooden part of the stairs. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we got a nice bullnose on the treads here of the concrete, so that makes for a really nice detail. This new staircase is going to be a lot more comfortable and a lot more like Grand Victorian. It's going to definitely read like 1900 Victorian. You can see I've got this template right here going up to the upper deck. I've got some guys coming this afternoon. We're re-waterproofing the upper deck because the apartment's down below. Who's helping? I'm
Honey,
helping
it's
Daddy.
just gorgeous.
Nothing but the best for you.
It's unbelievably gorgeous. Wow.
I'm helping.
There's little footprints on it.
There's oil on my paws. Who did that? I don't like it. I'm helping. Are you helping? No. You're not any help. You're no help at all. You don't help. What are you gonna keep? It's not gonna be. It's not gonna be. Watch out. It's a little snooty, huh?
And here's the finished product. This is about a full month after installation, and I mentioned that because the Ipe slowly changing color in the sun. It's fairly intense afternoon sun here, but we're pretty happy with what we've got. Very comfortable. Got a nice landing up here, and it really makes for a comfortable, elegant addition to the front of our house.